Guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to fly in Animal Company VR. Just to get it out of the way, guys, by yourselves. But first, I'm going to just to get it done.
Stash, then you respawn. You can levitate.
All right.
My brother.
So first, I'm just going to join a random code. Doesn't matter what code. Then, you guys will want to die. So you guys will want to die first. Well, if I can. Here, I would just mainly use something you have here from your stash. So something explosive. Like, I'm going to use this. And just... die. Then... you can try and swim your way over to your stash. This is a new glitch. Not really a lot of people know about it. And then look, you'll die, reset,